the long wait is over. 12:58. By the time we get there, it's already 1 o'clock, and they are open to purchase tickets, and then let's go in. And tingnan natin itong Sunflower Fest nila dito. Ayan sila, Bebco at Mother Dear. So, let's go. Dito pa lang. Mukhang maganda na. May malaking gazebo doon. And dito tayo kanina. Sama ang mga goats. But the greatest of all time, the goats. Ayan. So, let's go. Let's buy some tickets. Hello.
Tilapia. Picture.
Ayun pala, nakaabang na, Beb. For 3. Thank you. Thank you.
Listen to what your mama tells you. Well, I hear that train a coming, rolling around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keeps dragging on. And that train keeps rolling all down the side I am home. A little farther down the line, off the Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. Yes, I do, and I let that lonesome whistle roll my blues away. Alright.
Napakuli tayo.
My goodness.
Pwede mo picture behind.
Flowers everywhere. Oh my goodness.
Wala lang mo, saka po pasto.
Oo nga eh. Ang daming bulaklak. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ang ganda. Oh. You don't even know where to go first. Ang ganda. kung saan saan magpo-post.
Pwesto.
Sobrang dami. Grabe. Oh, see.
Ano pala?
Ano pala?
Ay, dyan mo, gusto? Sunflowers. Tall. Very tall. This is paradise. Doon tayo.
Tayo. Ayun yung may dinosaur.
I never saw that one. Wait, guys! Guys! Go on the egg!
Everybody looks scared.
Okay, guys, go on the egg!
Beb.
Ow!
Marami pa tayong
Richmond.
Come on, let's go back here.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, so other than the sunflower maze and the other flowers here that they have, I think they're getting ready for the pumpkin patch for Halloween. So this area is full of pumpkin and marami-rami na. Marami-rami ka na makikita dyan ng mga ready na for harvest ng mga pumpkins for pumpkin patch. Yan. Tsaka meron din silang mais. So I'm guessing they're gonna do some corn maze too. That will be fun for Halloween. Ayan. Medyo ano pa, young pa yung corn nila. But it should be ready by November, siguro. So, let's go inside that. Kasi andun na sila, Beb. Let's go. John Deere. Sunflower field.
Nakaram na sila sa init. Yan,
We
yan
are
tayo,
facing
yan,
the
yan, yan.
sun. Maybe.
Yan.
So, kung dito ka nakaharap, nakatalikod sila sa'yo. Pero kung dito ka naman, ayun, ang gaganda. Diba? Kulit mo. Pinalayas mo man sila.
Oo. Nandito lang sila. Bumblebee. Yeah.
Ano hawakan mo?
Oo.
Kasi yung pollen nila.
Ito yung ano, honeybee yung isa ito.
Diba?
Chum. Parang piyesta yan. Sa kanila. Ano yung nangyari? Tuyo na?
Tuyo na. Busy yung mga bees.
Oh, may puso pa. Oo. Pero meron siya mata. Oh, may mata naman yan. Oh. Si happy face naman doon. Paglabakan nila. Left tayo. Lumabas na tayo doon sa exit. Ayan, nakabuka. Ayan, nakaharap na sila dito. Left. Ito na exit eh.
Left? Let's go.
Exit na tayo.
Andun yung sun. Kaya dapat muna sila. Harap.
Wala eh, nag-away-away sila rito eh. Oh. Kanya-kanya.
Kanya-kanya.
Kanya-kanyang harap eh. Oh.
Talikuran sila. Ikot ka lang.
No, wala na tayo. Wala na tayo.
This is hard.
Okay. Lalaki oh. Natumba na.
Tumba na siya.
Bumigay na siya.
Ang laki. Ta. Hanapin natin ang tamang daan.
216, let's go. Let's go.
Balik tayo. Hopefully we remember where we went. Kasi isa lang yata yung entrance at saka exit dito. So, let's find our way out.
Oh,
Meron ba?
may pangalan.
That way, babe. This way. Diyan na. Diyan tayo galing kanina eh.
Doon. Diyan?
Oh, sorry.
Doon. Diyan na.
Okay, let's try. I wanna go there. So, we lost. Doon pala yung exit. Eh, dito kami sa entrance dumaan. So, talo kami. Kasi bumalik kami. I just wanna go to that, tawag nito? Parang overboard. Then makapag-picture doon and then let's go. Kasi ano na, 2:21 in the afternoon and we still need to drive back to Washington. So we need to get going.
Gotcha.
Okay, malaki. Lawak. Marami pa tayong hindi nakikita, oh. Malawak ang ano. Happy?
Happy!
Yan, tingnan mo paano.
And we are out! Let's get something to eat and then let's get going. Yes, please.
Then which one? Oh.
Yes, please.
Oh.
Ketchup. Yay. Thank you.
Huge.
Sarap. Init. Mga unta. Alright, we're done.
Tapos ang pasyal.
Tapos ang pasyal. So, we're here. We're back dito sa parang train station nila. We'll wait for the train and then we'll ride it going out. And then I think we're gonna hit the road na, di ba, babe? We're gonna hit the road na after this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Yun.
Wala siguro tayo dyan sa duty free. Tingnan
Doon na
na.
sa border.
Sa border na yun.
Yeah, sa border. Okay. Alrighty. So, let's go. Ayan. We are now back in Seattle. And our last stop is another recommendation from our friend Edwin. Shrimp Shack. Oh, ayan. Oh, nandito na kami. Ang layo pala nito from the freeway. Pero dinayo namin because we heard that this is one of the best shrimps that you can get here in Washington, and they always come here when they go here. So, tingnan natin. Ayan. Shrimp Shack.
Can I have 3 pounds? Oh, 3 pounds.
Yeah, 3 pounds is good enough.
3 pounds of the bigger ones?
The bigger ones, yes.
You said it's not big shrimp.
Those are ready to eat?
Yes, they are.
Do you need help
Wow.
with anything?
Steaming water right now. You just get one right up. Come on, we're gonna help mommy carry this stuff. We got it. We got all.
Oh, that's a lot.
Can you add 1 more pound?
Yep.
Please?
Oh, this looks good. Yummy.
It's the meal, honey. Okay.
Ano pa ba
Well,
natin?
we all for you?
Where we can order some like snacks on the other
You
window.
gotta order that window over there. Okay, cash or card?
Yes.
Cash is 64 each. $36.
Thank you.